What's your name?
Jeff
How old are you?
21,
And what is your occupation?
firefighter.
So, first off, start. What kind of training things did you have to do?
Prior to the training camp that we did with the fire department, you have to get your EMR, your Class 2 driver's license, and you just have to be physically fit. And then the training camp certifies you with NFPA 1001 standards, which is just kind of a nationally recognized firefighting credential. And that pretty much covers everything from hazardous material spills to fires to medical calls, absolutely everything.
Okay, did you have a pre-screening test?
Yeah, so you had to pass a medical test. It was full medical. You had your CAT scans, you got your drug tests. It was pretty much a full day of medical testing.
Right. How many hours a week do you work? What's your hours like?
I think it works out to 44 hours a week, but it's on a 16-day rotation, so it's 4 days on, 2 days off, 4 days on, 6 days off. And the first 2 days are 10 hours, and the second 2 days are 14 hours.
So when you go out and get called on fire, what kind of equipment are you wearing or do you have to bring with you?
So when we get dispatched, we'll either be notified if it's a medical or fire call. So if it's medical, then we're just kind of in pants and a t-shirt, official station wear. And if it's a fire call, then we'll have pretty much the whole get-up. We'll have the boots, the pants, the coat, balaclava, gloves, and the helmet on, ready to go.
Okay. Do you have any? Do you know anybody in the fire department with like chronic pains, any injuries that have occurred, or a known chronic pain that usually firefighters get?
Yeah, no, a lot of the training officers all pretty much have chronic pain, whether it be from just like overusing their limbs or getting injured on the job. One guy jumped out of a window. He had to bail out of a second-story window, and it was like snowy, and he jumped out and he landed on a gas meter, and his back is just toast now. And then everyone else's knees are just completely shot.
All right, what do you think was physically the hardest part of your training?
It's physically pretty demanding just in kind of cardiovascular, but I don't know if this would be physical, but there's some claustrophobia tests you have to get by, and your breathing just gets so quick that you can't even oxygenate your head because you're just hyperventilating and you feel like you're going to pass out. So physically, for me, that was the hardest part.
So with your time off, what generally do the guys do?
Some guys have side jobs, but for me, I just got on, so not doing anything right now.
Okay.
Just living the dream.
Well, I think that's probably good enough for the video.